Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Bobcat Miner 300 on your AT&T Arris router, specifically the port forwarding, so that you can stay out of relay mode. All right, first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and open up the web browser and navigate to the IP address of your AT&T router. The default is always going to be either 1.254 or 1.1, depending on the manufacturer. Go ahead and hit enter. Now you may be prompted, if you're going to make changes on the advanced setting, to type in the code. You'll find that code on the back of the router itself. But for our purposes, all we're doing is entering the IP address of the Bobcat Miner and making it a static IP address. To do that, go to Home Network, and go to IP allocation. Once there, you're going to see your device in this list. For our purposes, I've already set mine up, but say if I wanted to add one, just hit the allocate button. See that DCP allocation changes to whatever it is. And in this case, let's say it's 112. So let's go look at 112. Click it and hit save. Once you save it, it refreshes. And 112 is at the top of the list. You can always change these back by simply repeating this process. Hit allocate and put it back in the pool by putting it in the address from DHCP pool and saving it. Now, since I've already set my Bobcat Miner IP address to a specific port, I'm going to move on to the next step, which is the firewall and NAT gaming. This is where you set up your custom service. If you don't see yours in the list, there's my Bobcat Miner. Add. See, it's added it, but it didn't put it in the port. Why? Because this is a hosting company. Now, if you don't see your service in here, you can only do it one way, which is to allocate it as a custom. So I'm going to go ahead and delete. Go to custom service. Type in Bobcat. Type in the port 44158 up and down and set it to TCP/IP. Hit add. And there you have it. For more videos like this one, please join us on the Black Investments Matter Facebook page, web page, and this YouTube channel by clicking like and subscribe. Thank you.